Hi everyone, here's a short video overviewing the work you'll accomplish in week 7 for Writing 111. First of all, you'll notice that there are 3 items in the week 7 media tab. The first 2 are both chapters from common online textbooks that have to do with analysis. The first one has to do with rhetorical analysis, which is the kind of essay that you'll be writing for week 11. The other chapter is about analysis and synthesis and will give you a variety of tools that you'll use in the process of writing this essay. The other item is a almost 2-hour-long YouTube video called League of Denial, and I'll hope that you'll be able to watch this before we meet in class on Tuesday so we can discuss the content. You have 2 things that are due this week. The first one is a short analysis of the film due on Wednesday, and the other is a large group workshop where you will look at a former student's paper and talk about features of it and get a chance to look at what a rhetorical analysis essay might look like. I hope you're all doing well. Talk to you soon.